Hello everyone, this is an HP Officejet Pro 8620 that we're going to remove a power supply on and the logic board as well. I'll show you how to do that. It's a simple process. You'll need a T10 star-shaped screwdriver or a screwdriver tip. Basically it's hard to show, but it's star-shaped and the size is T10. HP 8610, 8620, 8615, 20, 20, 30, and 25, they're pretty much the same, and they have same removal process. 8600 series and 8600 Plus are similar, and will also have the same build on the inside if you want to replace the power supply or the logic board. So what we're going to do is, you can see on the front here, if you open this cartridge door, there's one screw that we're going to remove here, but we're going to do it last. There's two screws in the back that we're first going to remove, and the screws are located in these two areas. There's one here and one here, and this is the panel that we need to remove in order to get access to the power supply. So we're going to remove these two screws here. Two are removed, and the reason why we want to do this side last is we're going to use it as something that will pop the panel open. So we're going to unscrew it and keep the screw in here, and we're going to use it to push the panel out, and that's what it does. You push it with the screw, it pushes it out, and it's a simple removal. We're just going to push the screw out so we don't lose it. So we have a logic board here and a power supply there. In order to remove the power supply without removing the logic board, what we're going to need to do is, there's some wiring right here, but we don't need to remove all of it. Just this harder one right here will give us access, and then also the cord that basically is connected, the power supply cord wire that is connected to the logic board. And there's two screws that hold the power supply, and it's this. They're both at the bottom over here. One here. You got that one out, and this one here. You got these two screws out, and then these, all these cords, they should be good and not in our way. So what we're going to do is just slightly lift the power supply and just pull it out of there, but in a straight fashion like this here. Make sure you don't pull any cords to avoid any damage. So in order to put the power supply back, it's the same process in reverse. And then to remove the logic board here, we're going to first disconnect all cords. Very carefully. Be careful not to rip any of the plastic pieces that are attached to the board itself. And there's a few screws that hold the board. It is a good thing to do to take a picture before you remove anything, so you can see the process of putting everything back, or make a video of how you are removing it in order to avoid any connection issues or anything like that when putting the printer back together. Looks like it's loose now. We can pull it out. There still are some cords that are in the bag that are attached to the board, and we will disconnect them. This one we can disconnect right now.
and we have the logic board off.